Hello everyone, welcome to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve an interesting college entrance exam problem. Let's move towards the solution of the problem. So our very first step is we just arrange these two expressions, and after that we will obtain the value of this expression. First I can write a minus 4b is equal to 4 and b minus 6c is equal to 4, because these two expressions are equal to 4. Okay, after that I will take this as equation number 1 and this is as equation number 2. Also we see that these two expressions involve the variable b, so we make the coefficients of both variable in both equations are same. So in equation number 1 the variable of b are 4, and in equation number 2 we make the variable of b are 4. So we making the variable of b are 4, we multiply equation number 2 by 4, and we will, when we multiply this equation number 2 by 4, we will obtain 4b minus 24c is equal to 16, and we will name this equation as equation number 3. After that we just add the equation number 1 and equation number 3, and we will obtain some new expression in the form of a and c. So we add equation number 1 and equation number 3 here, and when we add here we see that this is minus 4b and plus 4b, these are gone, and we will obtain a minus 24c is equal to 20, and we will named this equation as 4. After that we just add equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 4. When we add equation number 1, 2 and 4, we will see here we just add a and a, so a plus a is 2a, and when we add minus 4b and b, and we will obtain minus 3b, and when we add minus 6c and minus 24c, we will obtain minus 30c is equal to, here we add 20 plus 4 24, and we will get 28, and this is our final answer, which is our desired result. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.